Yeah, Zoe, the authorities are going to come now.
Can you open the door?
No, you need to apologize.
I apologize for getting on your nerves.
I'm going to.
I'm freezing.
You are? Then maybe I'll help from the evil inside.
There's somebody out here walking towards me.
For real? Yeah. Tell them I said what's up. Good night.
Don't fucking pee on myself.
You're going to pee on yourself? Oh, that's even better. Fine. She got stuff in her hand. She about to pee on herself. Look. This is all being recorded. This is so great. I'm sending this to Dom.
Stop what you're doing and please check out our Poshmark closet for fashionable clothes, shoes, and select houseware items. Link is in the bio. Also, check out our NFTs for sale on OpenSea. Thank you very much for all your support.